If you drive a manual Chevy Spark from 2011 to 2016, you know that stock shift knob probably feels like a worn-out hockey puck by now. This replacement claims to completely transform that experience. Let's see if it delivers on that promise of premium feel. We're looking at the 5-speed manual gear shift knob and Gator boot cover set, designed specifically for the Spark. The first thing you notice is the material upgrade. They've used high-quality PU leather combined with durable ABS plastic, moving far beyond the cheap plastic feel of the original. This combination is soft, sweat-absorbent, and wear-resistant, immediately giving you a better, more comfortable grip. That humanized design isn't just marketing fluff, it genuinely improves the sense of control. The whole package, including the boot cover, is built to be a direct replacement. Installation is advertised as easy, and for a component like this, that's usually true. It's an ideal swap for an old or damaged handle. You're not just replacing a broken part, you're enhancing the entire interior aesthetic. The silver 5-speed pattern is clear, won't fade, and the overall craftsmanship is exquisite, adding a high-end, fashionable personality to your car. Functionally, a weighted, ergonomically designed knob like this helps you shift faster and safer. It relieves driving fatigue by providing that comfortable anti-slip surface. It's a small detail, but when you're driving stick every day, that tactile feedback matters immensely. This knob is built to strict quality control standards, promising maximum durability. It truly enhances the overall look and feel of the car's interior. If your Spark is showing its age, this is a simple, trustworthy upgrade that delivers significant comfort and style improvement for very little effort.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.